Here we're asked, what is the domain of the function in the graph? So domain is the x coordinates. Like the x-axis, it's where does the graph go? Left and right, like the x-axis stretches out to the left and right. The range is the y-coordinates. Like the y-axis goes up and down, this is asking where is the graph up and down. I always remember because D comes before R, X comes before Y. So if that happens to help you, the D goes with the X, the R goes with the Y. So if we look at this graph, we see only a portion of this graph. If we were to zoom out, we would notice that this graph is going to continue to inch out to the right and left. Because these arrows are here, it's saying it's going to continue to follow this pattern, which notice it is stretching out to the right and left as you go up. So if you think about that, that means that this graph is going to go on forever to the right and on forever to the left. Ultimately, if you were to continue to zoom out, you would see that on the graph. So the domain, where is the graph on the x-axis? How far does it stretch out to the right and left? It would be all real numbers. Another way you can say this, since it is the domain and it's the x-coordinates, we know the answer is not this. You have to use x in your inequality notation. You could also say x is in between negative infinity and infinity. So you can write it like this as well.